Hello and welcome to Shopify Dropshipping Store Development Beginners to Experts. Today we'll see how to add blog posts and how to manage blogs. For this you have to click on blog post here under themes and click on manage blogs. Inside the manage blogs you can add a blog that is called jewelry tips, and then you can make some templates default. You can also make comments disable, or you can make allowed like this, and then click on save. Once your blog is created, you can create a blog post. Inside it you can write SEO optimized title like favorite jewelry to buy in 2022. Welcome to Jewelry HubSpot. So here you can make some feature image for this post like this. You can select any, or you can remove it. You can add any other image for it, and then you can make organization, author, admin. Okay, you can make author that is available, and then you can put it up in jewelry tips, and then you can give some tags, and then you can click on save. Once you will save it, your blog post is created. For this, in order to show it on your home page, you can also make it through some section like this here. Once it's created, you can go to customizer, and if you want, you can also show it here inside the sections, like by adding section and then blog post, and inside the blog post you will see that you can make any blog section you just created. It will be showing like this. Here you see show date. You can show or remove the dates from here. Once you will show it, you can just go to the blog section here. Inside the blogs you can go to manage blogs, and inside the jewelry tips you can make click on view page, and you see how this jewelry tips blog section is looking like. So you have to go to blog posts instead of manage blogs, and here you see preview blog post. You will see it like this. This is the blog post you have just created, the image, and then some posts here. So you can more customize this thing, but if you don't want to show it inside your store homepage, then you can simply remove it from homepage. Just go to blog post section, and from here you can move this section, click on save, and either you can place this blog post section inside the pages. Go to pages and then add a page and call it blog, and then for template you can just inside the, or you can discard it. This needs more customization, so you just have to go to navigations, and inside the navigation go to your main menu, and here you can add the blog from here, from blog post. Simply select your post and give it the title, favorite jewelry tips, or you can make it like our blog, the menu and then you can put it up here inside save menu, and then once it's saved you can just go to your store, preview it, and once you will preview it you will see our blog section menu here, and just click on it. When clients click on it they will see your blog section here like this. So why is this showing here? Because we have to make this image inside your blogs. For this, go to blog posts, and here you see we can also remove it and make some eligible image inside it. And once you will again refresh your store you will see the proper new image here. Okay, I think it's not saved yet. Once it's saved it will be properly visible to your live store. So now it's saved. Now refresh your store. Once you will refresh it, now you can open it from here in your window, and then when you click on our blog from here, sometimes you have to clear the caches of your store to make sure that everything is working just like this. So here you see a new image for the blog post is showing, and your post can be shown here like this. You can put any description and title for your post, and it will be showing inside your menus. Thanks for watching. This lecture was on blog post sections. Thanks.